Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the science. The first question is which mirror is used as a rear view mirror? Option A plane mirror, option B concave mirror, option C convex mirror, option D none of these. Correct answer will be convex mirror. Question number 2. The image formed by a plane mirror is option A real and inverted, option B virtual and erect, option C real and erect, option D virtual and inverted. Correct answer will be virtual and erect. Question number 3. The SI unit of electric current is option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. The correct answer will be the SI unit of electric current is ampere. Option B is correct. Question number 4. Which lens is used to correct hypermetropia for farsightedness? Concave lens, convex lens, cylindrical lens, plane lens. Correct answer will be convex lens. Option B is correct. Question number 5. The unit of the electric resistance is volt, watt, ohm, ampere. Correct answer will be ohm. Question number 6. The commercial unit of electrical energy is joule, kilowatt hour, watt, volt. The correct answer will be kilowatt hour. The filament of an electric bulb is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, silver. The correct answer will be tungsten. Which device is used to measure the electric current? Voltmeter, ammeter, thermometer, barometer. The correct answer will be ammeter. The focal length of a plane mirror is 0, infinite, 1 meter, 2 meters. Correct answer will be infinite. Question number 11. A concave lens always forms real image, virtual, erect and diminished image, real and magnified image, inverted image. The correct answer will be concave lens always form the virtual, erected and diminished image. Option B is correct. Question number 12. The speed of the light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power 7. The correct answer will be 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Option A is correct. Question number 13. The bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium is called reflection, refraction, dispersion, diffraction. The correct answer will be refraction. Option B is correct. Question number 14. Which appliance converted electrical energy into heat energy? Electrical iron, fan, motor, generator. The correct answer will be electric iron. Question number 15. Which color has the longest wavelength? Violet, blue, green, red. The correct answer will be red. Question number 16. The image formed by a convex mirror is always real and inverted, virtual and erect, real and magnified, real and erect. The correct answer will be virtual and erect. Question number 18. Which source of energy is renewable? Coal, petroleum, solar energy, natural gas. The correct answer will be solar energy. Question number 19. The unit of electric power is joule, watt, volt, ampere. The correct answer will be watt. The unit of the electric power will be watt. Question number 2. Which device protect an electric circuit from overloading? Bulb, fuse, switch, battery. The correct answer will be fuse. Thank you so much. Nice. Please